Some of the main challenges our mining customers face today have to do with lack of resources. Resources such as water, energy, people, and also social challenges. One of the problems that we face in metallic mining especially today is that the ore grades are getting lower and lower grade, meaning our customers have to process much more raw ore in order to get the same final concentrate.
One interesting challenge that Metso Metrics is helping solve is at times lack of expert labor. So sometimes at site, it's really hard to find somebody with the right skill set that can operate and maintain our equipment.
The basic functionality of Metso Metrics is having advanced sensors onto the equipment, taking that data and putting it into an advanced analytical model so that we can predict when failures may occur and when parts and equipment needs to be changed.
By having access to customer data on our equipment, we'll be able to forecast problems that arise from process issues to maintenance issues to downtime. And all of these things will help our customers become more profitable.
One of the biggest benefits for these data systems is that it gives you access to all the data and how the equipment's running remotely. So for our customers, even if they're 5,000 miles away, you do have experts that are able to look over your data and your equipment and offer you suggestions to proactively run your plant.
So what really makes Metso Metrics really special for Metso is not just the data that we're monitoring at site from the remote monitoring system, but it's actually what we do with that data. So one of it is the Metso experts, so we understand how our equipment work to focus on things that will keep that crusher or screen or mill working, but then also working with the market areas and feedbacking that information to the customer.
The technology behind Metso Metrics is cutting edge. We have a great partner in Rockwell Automation, and internally we can use all of our skills to help our customers create more value and more profit.
From Rockwell's perspective, the platform Metso is delivering to the industrial markets is on the cutting edge of technology. Rockwell and Metso's capabilities are very complementary to one another. Rockwell is a leader in automation and information solutions. Metso is a leader in mining equipment and services. Together we can leverage these capabilities to provide greater value for our customers.
For the last 2 years in the pilot program, we've been collecting a large amount of data that we're going to be able to use to form a more robust analytical system in the future. One of the challenges that we have to overcome is the confidence that our customers have in using the digital platform to be able to understand how their plant is running compared to the real life walking around, seeing and feeling the equipment in there. How we mitigate that is by giving them confidence and showing them that the indications that they're seeing in person can actually be tracked within the digital platform by advanced sensors.
So when a customer is interested in Metso Metrics, we're really working together with them to understand the problems that they're trying to solve.
Metso Metrics takes collaboration with our customers to a whole new level.